Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your JBC complete rework system for optimal performance. First things first, plug in the power cord into your DDE. This is the heartbeat of your setup, so make sure it's securely connected. Now, let's move on to step 2. Plug the stand cable into port 1 on your DDE. Next up is step 3. Attach the other end of the stand cable to the ADS stand. Moving along to step 4, leave T245 on its stand and connect the tool cable. This precision tool is a key player in your tech arsenal, so ensure a solid connection. Next, rotate the cable collector upwards and secure the tool cable to it. Now, let's shift our focus to step 6. Plug the other stand cable into port 2 on DDE. Connect the other end of the stand cable into dual RS stand for step 7. Leave DR560 on its stand and connect the tool cable. In step 9, assemble the end of the tool suction cable and the silicone tube to the suction filter kit. Let's introduce the suction module in step 10. Mount the end of the suction cable onto the suction connector of RMSE. In step 11, plug the module cable into the in port of the RMSE. Connect the other end of the module cable into the peripherals port of DD for step 12. Moving forward to step 13, plug the power cord into RMSE. Now, in step 14, plug in the power cord into JBC. Plug JBC stand cable into the stand connector on the control unit. Leave JBC on its stand in step 16 and connect the tool cable into JBC. Step 17 involves assembling pick and place into the same control unit. Now, in step 18, assemble the thermocouple just above the pick and place connector. Turn on both stations. Then, on DDE, press on Menu button, then Peripherals, Module, and select RMSE. Finally, press the Menu button again, and then select Yes to save the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your JBC complete rework system equipment for peak performance.